What objects look like a sphere?
A ball. An apple.
Balloons!
That's right. Good job. Now take a closer look and tell me, what's the difference between a circle and a square?
The square has corners. The circle doesn't.
That's right. They have a different number of corners.